Have you been loving the AI content I've been sharing? Like how to actually use ChatGPT in your business and make it sound like you. Well, I've got some exciting news. That content now has its own home. So many of you have told me how much you love learning how to use ChatGPT and AI tools in your business. And honestly, it's become such a big part of what I teach that it needed its own space. That's why I've launched AI Simplified, a new brand that's all about helping small business owners use AI in clear, practical, non-techie ways. AI Simplified is a podcast, a YouTube channel, and a community. And you can find us on all the socials too. Just search AI Simplified. If you've ever felt like AI was confusing or overwhelming, this is where we break it all down, step by step. So if you found my AI tips helpful here, don't miss what's coming next. Head over to the new AI Simplified YouTube channel and make sure to hit subscribe, because that's where all the new trainings, tutorials, and conversations will be from now on. You don't have to figure out AI alone. Come join us at AI Simplified, where we're making marketing easier, faster, and way more fun.